How much silver can you buy for $1,000? Let's find out. So silver is a little bit more fun. This is generic bars. Check this out. 5 troy ounces. 9 mint is pretty awesome, and that was came from generic bars. That's pretty cool. Okay, then I have right here Silver Eagle 2021, regular one. That's nice. Those things sell for like $35, sometimes in 40. Okay, there is another generic bar. What is this? 5 ounces looks like. Pretty awesome. This one has a lot more premium to it. People love poured bars than these stamp ones. So okay. Whoa, this is nice. German 25 by 1 gram silver bars at 39s, I think. People collect those ones. Check this out. Fine silver 4/9, 10 ounces. There's the Eagle. Okay, there's another Eagle 2021. Silver is so much fun to buy because you get a lot of it. Whenever you buy gold or platinum, you get a bunch of grams. Whenever you buy silver, you get quite a few coins and bars. And look, another 2021 Eagles. More Eagles. Eagles are really nice to stock because it has high premium, but whenever you sell them, they are easy liquid. Whenever you're trying to sell those ones, it will have 0 premium a lot of times. Especially when silver and gold cools down, it'll be harder to sell those ones. Eagles are easy to sell. I went to a coin store. At coin store they said they will buy them for almost like $30 per ounce, but sell them for $35. But they didn't have any to sell, so they were completely sold out. They say those things are gone quickly. Then you have 10-ounce bar. I love that skinny 10 ounces bar, and they sealed. That's quite nice. This obviously has higher premium, but this is pretty nice and collectible. So maybe in the future it'll go up in value even more. And this was the generic silver, and it's nice that I finally got something unique like 9 fine mint. This is a nice silver right here. And another 5 ounces generic bar. People like those, but again, they probably will sell for like spot. That's it. Whenever I'm not gonna take it to a coin store, so I pretty much have to wait till silver go up to like back to $30 an ounce, so I can make a little bit of profit, because I paid around like $25–27 per ounce for this thing because it's 5 ounces. Because the bigger the bar, the less premium there is. And obviously, if you have a fancy one like that, you're gonna have the most premium. So let's see how many Eagles I got. 1, 2, 9, 10. So this 10 ounces of Eagles, 10 ounces bar, so 20 ounces, 2 5 ounces. This is 30 ounces and 25 gram. So almost 31 ounces for $1,000. That's how much I paid for. If I bought just Eagles, probably would have had a little bit less, because Eagles are the most expensive. But at the same time, this thing is even more expensive, like premium, than the Eagles. But people love that. Sometimes it's worth buying it, hold on to it, and when you cannot buy them anymore, people will pay even higher premium on eBay and such. But yeah, it's cool. There you go. That's how much silver you can buy for $1,000.